the StudyRoom, and I am Ankita. Today I am going to talk about present continuous tense, which is also known as present progressive tense. What is present continuous tense or present progressive tense? Present continuous or progressive tense is used for an action going on at the time of speaking. For example, Leela is dancing now. The boys are playing hockey. She is doing some work. It is also used for an action that is planned or arranged to take place in near future. For example, Deepu and his friends are leaving Kolkata tonight. Meena is arriving here tomorrow. It is also used to express an action going on these days, not necessarily at the moment of speaking. For example, I am preparing for my exams. He is working for the government. Rules for forming present continuous tense. First person singular number I plus am plus verb plus ing plus object. For example, I am drinking water. First person plural number we plus are plus verb plus ing plus object. For example, we are drinking water. Second person singular number you plus are plus verb plus ing plus object. For example, you are drinking water. Second person plural number you plus are plus verb plus ing plus object. For example, you are drinking water. Third person singular number he, she or it or any name plus are plus verb plus ing plus object. For example, Rita is drinking water. Third person plural number they plus are plus verb plus ing plus object. For example, they are drinking water. So, from this we can say that the main rule for forming present continuous tense is subject plus is or am or are plus verb plus ing plus object. The verb plus ing form of the verb is called present participle form of the verb. The present participle form of all the verbs end in ing, and to make it we normally simply add ing in the base form of the verb. But there are some expectations though. Let us see what are those. Verb. Most verbs ending with consonant plus E. Rule. Take off the E. For example, hope, hoping. Take, taking. Verb. Most verbs ending in consonant plus vowel plus consonant. Rule. Double the last consonant. Example, refer, referring. Swim, swimming. Verb. Verbs ending in consonant plus vowel plus consonant where the last consonant is W, X or Y. Rule. Don't double the last consonant. For example, blow, blowing. Flex, flexing. Verb. Verbs ending in IE. Rule. Change the IE to Y. For example, die, dying. Lie, lying. Verb. Verb ending in C. Rule. Add K. For example, panic, panicking. I will talk about the other parts of present tense in the next videos. So, for today, this much only. We will meet again with my new video. Till then, stay tuned with me by subscribing my channel, liking my videos, sharing with your friends and pressing the notification bell. Bye-bye.